everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to turn off your chat during a Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. Log into your Google Meet account by typing in meet.google.com and pressing enter. Make sure you're logged into your Google Meet account by entering your Google credentials, and once you're inside, go ahead and quickly start a meeting. In order to quickly start a meeting, let me click on the New Meeting button and click on Start an Instant Meeting. Once you're in your meeting screen on Google Meet, in order to turn off your chat, go and click on the three dots located at the bottom of the screen, and from the pop-up that appears, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on the Host Control panel, and now, right where it says Send Chat Messages, toggle off the button right next to it. Once you do that, you'll be able to turn off your chats on Google Meet. But remember that once you turn it off, only the host will be able to send the chat messages. That is how you'll be able to quickly turn off chat messages on Google Meet. I hope the tutorial video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.